Hi, it's Roland again from Mercedes-Benz Berwick, and today I'd like to show you the Hey Mercedes function, so hop in. You can change the ambient lighting in the car by saying, "Hey Mercedes,
How may I help you?
change the ambient lighting to blue."
Okay, I'm changing the color.
To adjust the temperature, you say, "Hey Mercedes,
How can I help?
turn the heating down."
I'm reducing the temperature at 23 degrees.
And lastly, I want to show you how to turn on your heated seats. So you say, "Hey Mercedes,
How can I help?
turn the driver's seat heating on."
Okay, I'm switching on the seat heating on the driver's seat.
The Hey Mercedes function is standard across the range, and I hope this function will help you with your everyday driving. And if you're in the market for a new car, please come and see me for a coffee at Mercedes-Benz Berwick.